Hey everyone, welcome to Steel Mace Training for Beginners. Today we're going to focus on the hinge pattern. Okay, so if you don't know what a hinge is, basically we're maximizing the bend at the hip joint and we're focusing on that. Minimal bend at the knees because we want to target the hamstrings and the glutes a lot more. So you're hinging here kind of like you would with the kettlebell swing, and then we're driving the hips forward. So hinging, drive the hips forward. Now, adding the steel mace into that, what we're going to do, set up in our hinge, pull in opposite directions with the mace, tuck the chin, and we're going to drive the hips forward, drive the hips back. Drive forward and back. From the front, what you want to make sure of is that as you are driving upward and down, that the mace stays parallel, so there's no wobble here, or rotation there. And what you also want to make sure is that there's no shift from side to side as you come up and you go down. All right? Give that a try. Add it into your training, strength and conditioning training, and remember to have fun.